So yeah, this is kind of cool. I've never made like a QuickTime video or like a screen capture video while I'm talking over it, and that's kind of exciting to me. Anyway, so for Reflection 7 though, we're supposed to talk about, if we go here, we can actually check the actual prompt because we're using this video and I'm super excited about it. So we go down here to Reflection 7. And it says, look in the future think folder, select an article, which we've got 7 things you should know about haptics. Um, and then what implications I see from reading this. And I just think that this does such a great overview of what haptics are and why it's kind of important that we um, look into it and promote this kind of technology. So just in general, over the this half semester class, we've seen that technology plays such a huge role in everything that we do, and that goes for education, educational purposes, and it goes for just everyday life. And um, we're seeing that as this technology is exposed to us, it just by the fact that there's exposure to it, it gets better. Somebody takes the time to adapt and adjust these technologies to better fit our needs, and the same things happen. The same thing happens with education, and in the classroom. And so with haptics here, as we kind of look at this where's it going section, it gets into this idea of really how do we grow? How do we do this? And how do we market this towards education? And in that, it really starts taking a look at what computers have been able to do for us before, which has really just been sort of looking and reading and hearing. And it's only those two senses, as opposed to giving, what might be virtual hands-on experience. And with the ability to do that, and if in a perfect world where there's plenty of funding to do this, why not? What can't be solved at that point, or what can't we practice, and what sort of disciplines can we further promote in an atmosphere where we haven't seen such opportunity before. um, it's kind of a cool thing. I think that if we're really on sort of like the cusp of, I think, of another technological breakthrough, in the sense that we're really just seeing social media usage become a big thing, and now that's expanding to what are our favorite parts of these social media apps, and how can we use these in networking across other platforms. And I think that gets into a cool thing. You open up opportunities with learning management systems in an educational setting, as well as just sort of like a communications in general, right? If you can bring families closer to the school and have a more transparent network and everything going on, right, you're going to increase the sense of community, I think, in your schools too, and that, as a general rule, will just promote success and achievement rates. So, but yeah, haptics, moving into this and getting it as much exposure as it needs, so that we can start teaching trades more easily in schools, and sort of making an environment, a learning environment anywhere with any kind of technology, would be kind of great. So.